Welcome to TUC meeting on 13 of January. We have the usual agenda today to go over the actions from the last week. We'll get an update from the App Runtime Platform Working Group, review PRs, and we have an RFC this time, and talk about any other business. So actions from last week. Yeah, we had one action to notify the working group leads about the planned removal of manually added users to the GitHub repositories. I saw that Amelia already did this and it's marked as done. So all good here. Then we can continue with the working group update. Yeah.
Man, this is embarrassing. I totally forgot I was supposed to do this.
No problem.
I can either give you an ad hoc one or I can do a more planned one next week. Up to you all.
I'm fine with both. Yeah, if we can do next week.
Let's do next week. I like being prepared. I apologize.
Oh, fine. At least I saw an issue of mine got closed regarding OCI image support in Diego.
Oh, yeah, we've been working on that for a bit.
Yeah, I'm eager to hear more, so let's have next week.
Noted.
Okay, then continue with the PRs. So the first one is from Stefan.
Yeah, it's a minor version bump. I saw warnings when I looked the last time into this problem with the timeouts on the org automation, and then I went over all used GitHub actions.
Makes sense. So I'm waiting for Ruben.
I'm on my phone, but I approve. I mean, it's fine. I'm on my phone.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay, and the next one is about archiving. We have a wrong link here. What? Anyway, somehow something looks welcome.
Okay, I fixed the link. Try now.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. This is about archiving repository. Yeah, we have approvals here. All approved, only the working group lead didn't. So, okay, I'll find them. This, then we have another archiving repository. Yeah. So this one has been split into one archiving repository and one deleting from the working group chart, but yeah.
That will work.
Yeah, I will just not much other one. Melia is the reporter here.
This is our exciting one.
Oh,
this is us.
Yes, something. something is move content of the files. I will fix the links. Something is not working properly today. So this is the PR which is removing from the working group chart. I have the approvals. And now we can go to the to the important ones or the exciting ones. So I saw that you notified working group leads and people were posting also into the working group channels. Then I think we are fine to go here.
I think we are. And thank you everyone for approving Marcelo's PR yesterday so we could get her bots working before we do this.
Yeah, Ruben, you are fine with that one to remove the individual repo access?
I'm home now.
Sorry?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'm
Yes.
No, it's done.
Oh my
Before
God.
somebody can.
Well, good thing it's the beginning of my day. So when things don't go well, I'm here for emergency access.
When will the automation start?
Oh, it runs basically continuously all the time, but it takes 7 hours or so one run.
This is its own GitHub action.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Didn't
This one is
connect
then
it with
faster.
the others. Yeah. And I put the cron logic, I'm not a cron expert, into something that translated it, and it told me it runs every hour on the hour.
Okay, then
In 20 minutes.
Yeah, we'll see if I translated cron correctly.
okay, and I closed the doc somehow. But the next one is the inactive users. Yeah. I notified the 4 users, actually, to 3 users that we will merge this, and then they can open PRs to get them added as contributors if they like. And we can make sure that the PRs get approved. I think this is fine. I didn't hear anything back from them, but this is what. Anything else? Yeah, I had some troubles yesterday to merge the conflicts here. That's why I had to make it manually. It's not from the automation. So we got the Paketo working group members, and then with that PR also the sorting. So Daniel sorted also the members in the contributors YAML, and then everything got so complicated for the merge. That's why I had to merge manually.
I mean, to avoid this in the future, I could add a, let's say, sorting validation in the org automation. Sorting it itself is then again a PR workflow, which I would like to avoid, but yeah, preventing a change if somebody sorted wrong, that would be possible at least, and it makes the reviewing easier, but the contribution is more difficult. Especially for the newbies, right? You first time and then you get, but you need to sort and take care of special sorting for capital letters and small letters. I don't know. Can be done. We can also wait for half a year, and if the problem is more often, then we do it. If not, we stay like this.
I think this is an exceptional case where we have 500 members. I don't expect the next ones to be so with so many members. That's why.
Yeah, then
yeah,
let's
that's why.
postpone it.
Yeah. It's okay, and I'm going to watch this one also. I think finally we, as TOC members, have everything in our power. So we have automations which guarantee that we have the power. Yeah.
Finally done.
I think we closed the gaps we had in at least securing the GitHub org. Yeah.
There's still some loose ends with organizations, different GitHub organizations, right?
Yes, this is still open. Yeah.
I think for the Bosch ones, we moved it all, but there's still some remaining ones.
Yeah, Paketo, they have their own, as Amelia also found out that service management, they have also.
The open service broker API, yeah.
But at least our Cloud Foundry org is now fully automated, and some working groups need to adopt branch protection still. Otherwise, yeah. Also, I'm happy that list here is so short that I can just go over the list. So the next one is RFC, which we discussed shortly last time. This is about moving the CV number management to the foundation. To my understanding, that means the foundation needs to be how it's called, CV number authority. I don't know what does it mean and whether there are costs connected which are connected with this for the foundation.
I don't know that either, but I can look into this.
Yeah,
I don't know how trivial that is or much about it, but it seems like a reasonable request. So I can ask around the LF and see if the CNCF does that or what.
It seems like something that the LF should have figured out.
Someone should know something about this at the LF, yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll look into that next week.
Sounds like an action item.
Sure does.
Sorry, I have to put my book here. Okay, so I think everyone else can take a look into the RFC and we can discuss more next time. Is there anything else you want to discuss?
I can give you a quick preview of Cloud Foundry Day North America, which we'll be announcing, I think, on Thursday of this week, or maybe next week. I'll talk to the events team tomorrow and I'll have a final meeting, but I think we're ready to launch that. So I think we'll be announcing on in the next week, CFP will launch. We will need a program committee. So for the folks on this call, or anyone paying attention, start thinking of talks you might want to give. Cloud Foundry Day will be on May 15th. That's a Wednesday in Midtown Manhattan. So that's exciting. It's the first Cloud Foundry event ever in New York City. And, you know, airfare should be simple. Hotels will be expensive. So talk to your managers or whoever and try and get that approved. Yes. And yes. Yeah. But yeah, we'll announce that soon. And I believe we might also be announcing Cloud Foundry Day Germany at the same time. We've almost got, I'm not sure if we've signed the date on that or not yet, but we're maybe doing that in tandem, but that should be in October. And we might be announcing it at the same time. Not quite sure. But the CFP obviously for that won't open for a long time, and that's a ways away. So yeah, maybe next week I'll confirm all these things and it should be launched by then.
Yay, I'm so excited. I
Me
haven't
too.
made it to a CF day in person in so long.
And yeah, you're pretty close. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, I hope we get some attendance from Europe, but I don't expect a ton. But you know, SAP or other folks, you know, let's see.
I hope that the budget situation is clarified until then.
Right. Well, yeah.
I'm very sure it will be clarified at SAP.
Yeah. Cool. Chris, you're somewhere in the Northeast there, right?
Yep, I'm just on the other side of the state in Buffalo.
Okay, right. Yeah, all right. Well,
It's like an hour, it's an hour something flight. It's literally like 35 minutes in the air. The rest of it's traffic control in New York getting on up.
right. Yeah, of course. Yeah, cool. All right. Well, yeah, I'll follow up on this next week. But I think those are the core details. It'll be a one-day single track event. It looks like a nice place. Will be a reception in the evening.
Yeah, great. Yeah, great. So we can discuss then details next week or 2 weeks afterwards.
Yep.
How we can organize CFP and so on.
Yeah.
Is there anything else? So if not, then we are done for today. Thank you. And have a nice day, evening. Okay, take care. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Hey, folks.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone. Bye.